Are you searching for best 3-channel dash cam? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best 3-channel dash cam in 2024. Number 1, AZDOME M550 3-channel dash cam. Crystal clear 4K recording. Experience next level recording with 4K UHD videos at 3840x2160p, backed by Novatec NT96670 processor and a best-in-class GC4653 Sony AMX307 GC2053 ultra-low light capture sensor. The ultra-wide-angle lens allows a 150 degrees field of view that easily covers 4 lanes and captures distortion-free images. Super night vision, f/1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. 24-hour parking monitoring. 24 hours parking monitor only works on an external power source. If someone hits your car and the impact reaches the G sensor level, then the camera will turn on and record a 1-minute video, then locks it saves it. It is on a supercapacitor. Please always connect dashcam to external power, hardware kit, while it is in use. Smart accident monitoring. The built-in G sensor in AZDOME dashcam activates upon impact and records videos of up to 1 minute. The 3-axis impact G sensor data ensures precise emergency recording of when and where the impact occurred and dockets the file to aid the further investigation. Number 2, Maxtoss 3-channel Wi-Fi dash cam. 3-channel Wi-Fi dash cam 1080p car DVR interior vehicle 3-way camera mini DVRs recorder video registrator dashcam camcorder. Special features: G sensor, digital zoom, motion detection, SD/MMC card, anti-surge voltage impact, anti-fog, anti-vibration, real-time surveillance, automatic white balance, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi function, parking monitor. Number 3, OMGO 3-channel Wi-Fi car DVR 3-way dash cam. Wi-Fi dash cam 3-channel 1080p car DVR Wi-Fi interior vehicle 3-way camera mini DVRs recorder video registrator dashcam camcorder. Product specifications: 3 channels, front interior rear, Wi-Fi support, screen size, 2 inches, file format, AVI, voltage 1 current, 5V/1A, video resolution, 1080p, 720p, VGA, continuous loop video, seamless loop recording, automatic power on/off, support automatic ignition and shutdown, interface. Support USB. Number 4, AZDOME M560-3CH 3-channel dash cam. AZDOME 3-channel cameras 4-inch touchscreen built-in 64G eMMC storage and GPS Wi-Fi free app. 3-channel dash cam. Dashcam M560 captures a super clear view at top quality 4K 2880 2160p on the front camera and offers 3 cameras to record at 1080p 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 simultaneously, providing you and your cars with all-around protection. 4-inch IPS touchscreen display. Super night vision. Emergency recording parking monitor, premium functions, 4K resolution, loop cycle recording, G sensor, emergency video lock, motion detection, time-lapse video, WDR, parking mode, Wi-Fi GPS function, and so on. All your daily driving needs will be satisfied by the dashcam M560. Special features: G sensor, built-in GPS, anti-vibration, real-time surveillance, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi function, parking monitor, speed and coordinates recording. Number 5, BEPOCAM ZD84K dash cam. 3-channel dashcam 360 degrees protection, equipped with 4K front 1080p inside 1080p rear 3-channel recording. With wide-angle 170-degree front camera, 150-degree cabin camera and 150-degree rear camera, capture all the details you need. Works well for cars, SUVs, Jeeps, and truck. Superior color infrared night vision WDR technology. The 3-channel dashcam 4K features advanced color night vision for clear shots even at night in low-light environments without auxiliary light sources, capture license plates, street signs, etc., GPS for live speed tracking, built-in GPS. The driving route will be displayed on Google Map during playback. Driving speed, location, date and time will be revealed on the video stamp. Can play videos via the app on your iOS, Android device, or computer. 5G wireless app control of view. Wireless 5G Wi-Fi connection allows you to control dashcam for car with your phone. You can live view, change settings, download files, and share videos on social medias in real time via free Witcam app. Front 4K Sony sensor dashcam with advanced Sony sensor cabin 4 infrared LED lights. The dashcams support UHD 4K front 2K inside camera 5 million super large pixels. 4K front dashcam which can record and capture clear picture, license plates, road signs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.